Hello, everybody. This is me, Dee Dee, and I'm with Steve
Hello.
from Haunted Curiosities. We're in the same location, and we're going to do bird communication. Now, people may ask, why would you do bird communication? Well, a lot of people have birds as pets. Now, here we have the cat making the noise now when we just did cat communication, and though he was nowhere in sight. But people have birds as pets. We have a lot of bird watchers. People, I'm into birds. I'm big into birds myself. I love them. The bigger the better. I love, I like the owls. I have an owl out here. He's real.
A couple.
Yeah, I got a couple of them. I'm always searching for pellets to see what they ate. Um, I'm big into ostriches. I want an ostrich really bad. But anyway, we're going to be using the same dimension as we did for cat communication because it is a lower dimension. It's not that animals are lowered beings, but I want to tell you how this works. Your bird, your cat, your dog, whatever we're doing, your fish will be able to understand you. Sometimes you'll understand them. It all depends on the person. I mean, if you can't understand them, you might want to listen to another video that we'll put out, which will be about psychic communication or, something like that. But either way, here we go. And we're going to start in 3, 2, 1. And that concludes our bird communication. We will be back to do dog communication. We're also going to be doing wealth, and a lot of very interesting other ones tonight. Please visit hauntedcuriosities.com and hauntedcollector.net. The description and dimension that we went up to will be soon. The dimension for this one is the same one we did for the cat dimension.